This is the old exhaust system and what it sounded like. The next clip you're going to see is the new exhaust system, which has the popping sound, which is actually from my phone.